Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So as expected yesterday, didn't really continue falling. We had a bit of a bounce. It was a fairly decent trade on offer there on the lower time frames. We'll get to that when we get to the 15 minutes. For now, let's just get some key levels in quickly to the upside, because I think this is where you're going to see a bit of a rejection. So key levels at the moment are 106.538, and then you have 106.958, and then you have 107.235. So trend is down at the moment, but if you look at the 3 hour, look at my oscillators, they've separated, grouping to the upside. Does look like we are forming a bit of a flag here. If you draw a line along the bottom, one along the top here, you're going to get your structure, but it obviously needs to reject a level, and there is another level here at 106.992. Let's just get down to what we're looking for. Right, so looking at this on the hour, we have a crossover the moving averages. We're coming up to the 150. So for as long as we're below the 150 EMA, the trend is down. So this is looking like a flag or a wedge that's forming. So you would want to see a rejection off structure. This is the closest structure. It's 106.958, 106.992. Okay, so this is the zone that you need to be paying attention to. If it gets through that, there's a very strong level at 107.235. But I suspect we are looking for something in this area. Now, the converse is true here at 106.538, because that is a strong area of support. And obviously, you know, put your 3 levels in. There's the second level, and just make it a bit wider. So just pick up your fractals here, but eat any one of these fractals here. Any one of these fractals is here, or along here, or around here, would be an opportunity to find support. So what we want to be doing today is very, very simple. If this has reversed and we are sort of looking to move to the upside, I'd like to see a pullback. This is the zone that I'd be waiting for, 106.538. See if we can get a base here. If we can build a base here and defend this with a decent pin bar, engulfing bars, or inside bars, there's a great opportunity for a long, moving back up to this 106.992 area. Another scenario here is fairly strong, 106.644 as well. So I'll come back onto here for a move to the upside. But if you look at what's happening, we're above the moving averages, came back to test the 150 here, and then continued. So looking at the 15-minute, that is kind of what we'd still be looking for. As I said to you yesterday, you're looking for the break of structure and the retest, and it did happen late in the afternoon here. You can see 2 pin bars. Well, that's kind of a range bar, but there's a pin bar, nice juicy engulfing bar here. But that was the structure, and I can move this down. There's a juicy tail here, and you can see how the support lines up with the 150 here. Perfect opportunity. Was forming a range, bottom of range, in an upward trend, fairly decent stab that you could take. But then again, the break of the range is what a lot of us trade, me included, and this zone is the break of the range. So a retest of this range, 106.538, would definitely get me looking for longs, and I'm looking for 106.958. That's kind of the scenario that we have at the moment. If we don't get the pullback down here and we still find support here at 106.644, same scenario, looking for the longs, looking for a move to the upside. So this would be similar to this setup, basically range, bottom of range, buy at the bottom of the range, anticipating a break to the upside. Small position, tight stop loss, move stop to entry as soon as possible, just in case it comes back to test the bottom of the range. That's kind of my setup for today. I think the bigger picture here is looking interesting. We are a little bit overbought on the hour, so it wouldn't surprise me to see a move down into this 106, let's just call it 106,500 area, because there is quite a bit of structure here. Okay, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.